In this tutorial, we will see how to highlight duplicate records in a column in Google Sheet. This is the Google Sheet. I have received this Google Sheet from a client and they are saying there are a lot of duplicates in column A. Okay, there are around 3000 records. So we need to highlight the duplicate first, then we will delete it. Okay, in order to do that, let me see if there is a duplicate. To do that, first let me select everything, then go to data, then data cleanup, then remove duplicates. And let me select data as a header row, remove duplicates. And it says no duplicates were found. Okay, let me select only this one, then go to data and data cleanup, remove duplicates. Okay, it says 25 duplicate rows found and removed. But I don't know which 25 duplicates are there. If I scroll down to bottom, you will see it only deleted those duplicate emails, but their data is still there. So this is not the correct process. So I am doing undo here. Okay. The correct way to do this, let me select this, then go to view this one. Let me highlight this. Okay. Then let me select everything, then go to here, then sort A to Z. In this way, I can see actually is there any duplicate records or not. I can see there are some duplicate records. You can see this is a duplicate record. The email is a duplicate, but their name are different. So while I am deleting from here, it's not deleting. So in order to highlight these emails, I will select the column first, then I will go to format, then go to conditional formatting, then here I will select custom formula, then here I will write a formula is equals count if, then bracket start, then I will write which column we want to target. So here we are targeting column A, so I will write A. So this is how we write a syntax. This is column A. If we are targeting column B, then it should be B column B. So we are targeting column A, so I am writing column A, then put a comma. Then from where we will check the duplicate. So we are starting from A1. So this is the A1. Then let me close the bracket. So now it's selected the first row. It will check. Then greater than symbol. Then 1. Okay. This is the formula. I will write it in description. So if you are targeting column C, then it will be C, C and C1. Any other column, then it will be column name over here. Then let me change this to something light color. Let me red, then done. Now let me see if it shows any duplicate records. Yeah, you can see it highlighted a duplicate record over here. So this is a duplicate record. Here is another duplicate record. Here is another duplicate record. Now all the duplicate records are highlighted. So in my case, client wants to keep only one record and delete another one. So in this case, I will just delete one and keep the another one here. Okay. This is how you will highlight duplicate records in Google Sheet. Thank you.